Karats, I don't know kung ako lang to or what, pero I find it a bit weird with the SVT's new tour happening sa March. Pero, I don't know, yung pakiramdam ko, wala dun si Gyu. Or hindi siya makakasama. Like, I wish I'm wrong, because I do wanna see him so badly, right? But, I don't know, may kutob talaga ako eh. Kasi ang weird. First of all, this whole new tour, like I have my own thoughts and issues regarding it, to be honest. Pero like, ang off kasi, I don't know if it's like straight up just with the scheduling or capitalism, I don't know. Pero yeah, ewan ko, ako lang ba? I don't know.